What's up, guys? It's your girl Yana J, and today I did go grocery shopping, and I will be inserting the clips of the stuff that I did get to fill up my cart. Go shopping with me at Aldi's.
You can't even sit in peace, 'cause all of these niggas be on you. I'm just saying I can be, the one that you call and you talk to, girl. I'll share my world with you. If you're gonna waste your time, waste your time with me. I mean, honestly, open your eyes and see if you're gonna who's giving you what you need. To waste your time with me. You could have all the space, all that you need. It's no pressure, girl. If you got time to waste it with me. And I ain't worried about them. Girl, you all that I see. And I am who I am. And I be where I be. If you ever hit me on a late night, I'll give you a clear mind. Might give you some insight. I'll share my world with you. If you're gonna waste your time, then waste your time with me. I mean, honestly, open your eyes and see. If you're gonna waste your time, you need, then waste your time with me.
And here are all the groceries, if y'all could see you. Yeah, so I'm finna just be filling up my fridge, and then I'm gonna let you guys see the final result of me restocking my fridge. I'll be back after I'm done stocking up all this stuff. I was gonna say I'll let y'all watch me pack up my kitchen, but I said I'm gonna wait until I get an island so I can set up my phone properly. But yeah, I'll let you guys see once I'm done packing everything up.
You can have all the space, all that you need. It's no pressure, girl. If you got time to waste it with me.
Okay guys, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for my next video. Thank you for watching, and also make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Toodles.